Today's video is, Dark Meowser launches the biggest firework on the 4th of July / damages the house / grounded.
Hello. I'm Dark Meowser. And since today is the 4th of July, I am going to launch the biggest firework that I could ever blow up. Let's do this crap. Oh my God. That was one big firework that I have ever saw. Unbelievable.
Dark Mouser. You moron. Get over here right now.
Oh no. What did I do now? Oh my God. What happened to our living room?
Well, Dark Mouser. Did you really think that this mess is done itself? Of course not. It was thanks to your firework that you just launched.
Now thanks to you, we need to clean up this mess and it will take a very long time to do so. You know what, that is it. You will be grounded until the 4th of July is over. Now, for your punishment, you will be helping us cleaning up this mess starting now. Grab the broom and get started.
Man. This sucks.